My garage door remote decided to stop working. Let's fix it together. Let's crack open this remote and check the battery. You can just insert a dime here. If you like engineering videos, follow me. Let's remove the battery and check the voltage. We see that the battery is delivering 3.1 volts, which is expected. Let's unplug the garage door opener for a few minutes to give it a chance to flush its state. Let's see if it works now. That didn't work. Let's go ahead and pull the logic board. This connector looks carbonized.
Enemy spotted.
We need to remove these screws here, so 3 screws. After removing the board, we can see that there are some components that are obviously burned. Yeah, so we can see that that's burned. This is burned too, and the connector base is like dark. That's not good at all. Look at those micro cracks. This explains why we have such a bad connection between the remote and the receiver. Let's reflow the board and see if that fixes it.
Nice.
Yeah, so now it looks a lot better.